Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Thank you so much for all your love and appreciation in my last videos. And with the appreciation, I got a lot of criticism for my looks. As my sister, my best friend, or very close friends, they shared like, you could have put on some makeup, you could have looked better. You're talking about depression, you yourself look depressed and all of that. And I took it. I know they are very real. They, if I'm doing something wrong, they won't even try to hide anything or like sugarcoat. They will come directly and say it on my face because they are real people. They don't hide. I don't hide. They know me, who am I, and I know who they are. So it's a very happy and healthy relationship, and I feel free. I feel accepted. I feel myself. So that is what I want to talk about today. I want to talk to you all about the pressure of portraying something else. Have you ever been among the crowd of 100 people where hardly anyone knows you and still you feel pressure of portraying something else or someone else that you are not? Or sometimes you don't feel that you are in your own skin. You feel like you are wearing someone else. Even if we try to realize it or not, sometimes we do it very easily. Or we try to portray very cool, we try to portray very funky, or we portray very smart. On the other side, inside we know, okay, I don't know this thing, or why am I even doing this, right? But the moment you are with the people who are so yours, I mean, who know you, like when you are in the house, you don't even care what you're wearing because your parents knows you. They have seen you that way since your childhood, and you don't feel any pressure, right? Yes, you should definitely feel inspired. You should take inspiration from others. You should definitely try to learn from others, but never try to portray someone else that you are not. Because when you are under this pressure all the time, when you are trying to portray someone who you are not, you will never be able to know yourself. And after a period of time, your personality is so confused that you don't even know yourself. And in this whole process, you will always feel a voice inside that will keep calling you back to yourself. Okay, so I know a lot of you can relate with this. It is okay if you don't want to go at the party. It is okay if you don't wear cool clothes. It's okay if you like reading. It is okay if you don't want to do something that society or the crowd or peers are asking you to be. You don't have to be your colleague. You don't have to be your sister. You don't have to be your father. Just be who you are. That's how God created us, right? We are not Xerox, right? We are the original copies. So we are God's masterpiece. So and when you are yourself, you feel free, right? And I personally feel when I see someone being themselves, they look the most beautiful person. When they laugh, when they I mean, some people are so weird, but it is so good to look at them, just to watch them, what they are doing. Or sometimes like, look at the kids. They are so innocent and so themselves. That is why we love them, right? I ever felt like, I don't want to do this. I mean, I'll tell you, sometimes it has happened with me. I'm like crying inside, I can't be this, I'm not this, but I'm sitting with the people where I can't be myself, and I feel so exhausted that I just, as soon as possible, I want to run away from that place. The moment you will accept yourself, you will find a new person in yourself. Trust me. So instead of portraying someone else, just explore yourself, know yourself, and love yourself. And the moment you accept yourself, whoever you are, however you are, maybe you're the most weirdest person or whatever, people will accept you because you accepted yourself. So just don't live under this pressure. Just take it off. Just take it off, this mask that is exhausting you. You were not born with that, right? So live freely, live happily.